Hi everyone, my name is Kyle Wang and I'm one of the lawyers here at Invicta Law Corporation. Today I'd like to talk to you about when starting a business, whether you should operate as a sole proprietor or incorporate. So operating as a sole proprietor means that when you start your business, you don't have to really do anything. You just use your own name and start running the business. There are some advantages and disadvantages to that. The advantages are that it's not so much work. There's no paperwork required. You don't have to file anything. It doesn't cost you anything. So it's easy to set up. Another advantage is that any income is accrued to you personally, and any business losses or business deductions, you can use that against your own personal income. The disadvantages of operating as a sole proprietorship are that number one, there is no protection from liability. So any risks involved in your business and any liabilities that you may attract, they are yours personally. And that may affect any personal assets that you own. Another disadvantage is that you will not be able to transfer the profits or deductions that arise from your business. So having a company can help address with those disadvantages. When you have a company, it's a separate legal entity, so that liability of the company and your liability, they're separate. Any risks associated with the business is only lashed onto your company and the assets within the company. So you can keep your own personal assets separate from any risks or liability relating to the business for the most part. And another aspect of having a company is that you will be able to transfer profits and deductions based on different hats that people can wear. For example, if you are a shareholder and also an employee of the company, you can pay yourself salary but deduct that against the income of the company. You may be able to have friends or family members become employees or shareholders of the company as well. There are ways to transfer those amounts. And when you have a company, in the case of a small corporation in BC, you have advantageous tax rates. So when you're making sufficient amount of money, it's usually recommended that you incorporate to enjoy that lower tax rate. Another aspect that is an advantage for having a company is that the company will be easier to raise capital. So you can sell shares in the company to generate money that can be used for funding the business. Another advantage of having a company is that as a separate legal entity, its existence is separate from your own existence. So it's possible to have the business carry on in the hands of others. But with a sole proprietorship, you are the business. If anything happens to you, that business is interrupted or over. So with having a company, it will also allow you to transfer ownership of your business more easily by transferring shares. And then finally, another advantage to having a company is name reservation. So in BC, for private companies, we can help you register a name that is exclusive for your particular type of service, and so that no other companies can have that similar name for the same type of service. If you have any questions and you're thinking about starting a business and would like to know what business structure is best for you, feel free to contact me. My email address is Kyle, K-Y-L-E, at invictalaw.ca. That's invictalaw.ca. And feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 604-674-7104. Thank you.